guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty, and I'm back with another video. And this video is a wig video, and this is from the company BFA Hair. Everything will be in the description box. So this video is pretty much just an initial review on the wig. This wig on my head isn't the wig. This is the wig right here. This is a 150 density full lace frontal wig. It's 22 inches of Brazilian body wave. So this is what the hair looks like. This is the lace. It's pretty natural, but I will be going in and bleaching it. But overall looks like it's a beautiful wig. As soon as I got this wig, I put it on the mannequin, and I got this maybe 2-3 weeks ago. So it's just been sitting there, and it's still been able to hold the body of it and the shine of it. I haven't gotten any shedding at all from this, and I've just just been looking at it, waiting for the right time to do a review, and today is the day, so why not? Now on the website, it was easy to go through the website, look for what you want. It was easy to guide. They had some discount codes, so that was another plus that I really liked. Shipping, it came really fast, like 3 days maybe. I'm jazzing it. Like, it took 2 days to process and like 3 days to get here. I live in Maryland, Prince George's County, Maryland, but still, that was fast. And the shipping, like the package, it was cute. Like, it came in this bag, came with a little netting, and came in something to hold the shape of the wig. Let me show you the inside of the wig. So it comes with a comb right at the end of the frontal and 2 combs on the sides, a comb on the back, and adjustable straps on each side. So the construction of the wig is really nice, and the frontal is a nice decent size. Like, for beginners who want to like start using frontals, I feel like this is a good starter wig. Another thing I'm going to mention about this wig is the price. The price was really good. Like, I think I paid like $150. I don't know the specifics, but it was around like $150 something. But everything about this wig will be in the description box below. And I will be dyeing this hair right here. I'll be going red. Well, it won't be red because I'm not bleaching it. So stay tuned to watch me do magic on this. And I want to also see how the hair would take to color and processing and stuff. So stay tuned to find out. So this is the color I will be using. This L'Oreal Varia Color Boost Technology, and this is in the color R57 Intense Medium Auburn. So this is what it looked like on processed hair. This will look like on light brown hair, and this is how the color is going to turn out on the lovely wig. I named her Sasha. That's her name. So that's what I'm gonna do. But before I do that, I will be bleaching the knots on this. It doesn't really need too much, so I'm going to use the YouTube bleach powder in the Clairol developer, and I'm going to use the 20 developer because it looks pretty nice. So I don't want to put too much on it. So So this is what the lace is looking like after we bleached it. It's giving sallow. So yeah, now that that's done, we can begin to color. So this is what we're working with. The hair is, the knots of the frontal have been bleached, and there was no seeping of the bleach from when we used the got to be glued. Why is it so bright? After we gave it that used that dye, the L'Oreal dye, it's like a cherry cola kind of color. If you like this, you can stop here, but we want burgundy, so I'm going to show you how to achieve the burgundy in the next clip. Okay, so you see how it's that nice cherry cola color? We want burgundy, so I'm gonna show you how to achieve that. The things you're gonna need, ooh, focus. You're gonna need these two in red and magenta, the L'Oreal high color highlights in red and magenta. And I will be using a 40 volume developer to mix with. You can get at your local beauty supply store. I got these from Sally's and they were about $5 a box. I got 2 boxes. You're gonna need a mixing bowl. I just used a paper one. I lost my brush, so I gotta use this little plastic spoon. You're gonna need some gloves because you want to protect your hands, because the first time dyeing I got a little red on my fingernail still. So let's get started. And you need some clips. You need some clips to clip the hair out the way. And I have a trash bag on the ground so we don't make a mess. Okay, let's get started. Dye all over it, the ends, top, it's all looking red. Okay, so let me read the instructions on the box of how long we're supposed to leave this one. And if I can't find it by the time this video ends, I will just insert it in the video in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this on the hair for 30 minutes, wash it out, blow dry it or let it air dry, and I'll let you guys see it afterwards, and then I'll apply it. Okay, you guys, so this is how the hair came out. I love it. And all I did to curl it was throw some bantu knots in all around, and look how, you know, it's giving me, I don't know, like Marilyn Monroe waves or something. The color took very well. The hair is still healthy. The edges is laid, everything. I love this hair. I haven't been really getting any shedding. But after wearing the hair for like a long day, I did experience a little tangle, but I mean, what hair doesn't tangle? It's normal. So it's not even a big deal, but I'm loving this hair. It's so cute. It's so lightweight, fluffy, easy to curl. I've done wand curls just to see how it would take, and it took really well, and it lasted a long time. These bantu knots last me all day, and all I did was put a little water, dampened it, put in some bantu knots overnight, and this is how they came out. It was easy to part it too, because I did give it a middle part, but I also parted it to the side. It was easy to lay the baby hairs. It was easy to glue the wig. I used Ghost Bond glue. I will be doing another video on how I glue my wigs down, doing like the little bald cap method and all that. But yeah, this is the hair.